Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Hyun. Today, I'll be painting a pumpkin and a yellow flower. As you can see, I have sketched it in advance when I have free time. For today's colors, I'm going to use only 4 colors: Cadizium yellow deep, Vermilion, Cerulian blue, and burnt sienna. I think those colors will complement each other nicely, and it's gonna be a simple painting today. I'm not using archie paper today. It's Handmaid Deckle edge watercolor paper. Is the Deckle edge beautiful, right? There are many kind of Deckle edge paper on the market. So if you are interested in any of them, it would be good to try it. It's gonna be very fun, right? Okay. And now I'm taking a little orange color, put on the center of the flower area and blend nicely center to edge. I'm still working on the petals. Take a light yellow, put on the petal area, each petal one by one, and then change the brush, the very sharp, pointed, round brush, and take a orange color, put on the between petals and draw some veins in the petals. I'm going to hold the same way on the petals. Try very first light yellow and switch the brush, change the brush, and draw some vein and between petals. So define the petal area, and then make sure the petal shape and flower shape. I'm still working on the flower area, just working on the petals. But first, take a light yellow. Next, take a little bit thick orange and brown color, put on the between petals, and so in order to define the petal shape and flower shape. Draw some veins. Okay, move on to the center of the flower area. Take a little dark orange color, put on the center area. I'm dotting, and then switch the brush, a very thin, fine brush. Take a very dark color, burnt sienna mix, Vermilion. So put on the center. Put on the center edge, put on the center flower area. I'm dotting. There are some water, so still damp that paper, so it will spread the color. I'm going to move on the pumpkin, take a cerulean blue, put on pumpkin as a first layer. And then take dark burnt sienna and then add in the pumpkin. Burnt sienna mix a bit of vermilion. Put on the next flower, pumpkin area. Draw some pumpkin shape and then blend nicely. Take a bit water and blend nicely that burnt sienna color. Today's painting is small and tiny size, so I'm using a paper 10 by 7 inch as usual, but I'm painting using just the center part of the paper that is not full size of the paper. I'd like to get cute painting. I'm mixing burnt sienna and a bit vermilion. I want to make reddish brown. And then draw a pumpkin stem. Draw curve. Do not draw straight stems. First, take a very thick color and then blend nicely with the clean water. Now I'm dotting on the pumpkin area. Next, I'm going to draw some wooden pattern in the bottom. It's wooden flower. Using cerulean blue mix and some of burnt sienna a bit. Draw some lines and some circles on the flower. Take a bit a darker color, put on the wooden pattern. Next, I'm trying to shadow pumpkin and flowers shadow. Next, I'm doing some detail now in the flower petals and pumpkin stems. And then even I'm not finished yet the shadow area. Define the petals and between petal area. You can do some detail until you are satisfied about this painting. However, don't overwork because today's painting goal is to draw simple and cute paintings, right? So don't draw too much detail and let it go. And as you know, I will post this painting sketch on my Instagram and Facebook at Painting Hyun. If you want to paint this, feel free to use it, okay? Okay, finally I'm splash some orange color on the ground area. Okay, we are all done this painting. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.